Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you where you can find all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System. Then select Language and Keyboard. Click on Manage Keyboards and select your default one, in my case Gbird. From here you need to click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. You can also go back, and if your default keyboard is LG, click on LG Keyboard under Manage Keyboards. Now scroll down, choose Additional Settings under Autocorrection, and manage all of those input tools however you wish to, like auto, punctuation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!